Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion for planning and organizing a marathon, specifically for the year 2025. This tool is a game changer, and we're going to master it together. First things first, let's create a new page in Notion and name it Marathon 2025. This is your command center. Here you'll have everything related to the marathon. The reason we do this is to keep all our plans and data in one accessible location. Next up, let's create some sections. The first one is Key Dates. Here you'll add all the vital dates related to the marathon, such as registration deadlines, training schedules, and the marathon date. This helps us because it allows for better time management and ensures we don't miss any crucial deadlines. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the Tasks section. In here, you'll list down all the tasks that need to be done for the marathon. For example, setting up the route, arranging for volunteers, getting permits, and so on. Each task can be assigned to a team member with a deadline. The beauty of Notion is that you can easily track the progress of each task. This is essential because it ensures that every task is accounted for and completed on time. The third section is Budget. Here, you can track all your expenses and manage your budget. You can create tables for different categories like permits, refreshments, and medical support. This matters because it helps you keep your expenses in check and ensures you stick to your budget. Finally, create a Contacts section. This will hold all the important contacts related to the marathon. It could include volunteers, city officials, sponsors, and medical personnel. This is beneficial as it ensures you have all critical contact information readily available. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently plan and organize a marathon using Notion. Remember, the key is to keep everything in one place and regularly update your Notion page. That's it for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in and keep running.